Angel Falls, Venezuela. At 3,212 feet, Angel Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. Let's convert this height into meters. Angel Falls Waterfall has a height of 3,212 feet. Let's convert this to meters, and we'll do it using ratios. So this is called dimensional analysis, and really all we want to do is convert the units. So we need to find the relationship between feet and meters. In your class, you'll have some conversion chart. This is the one that I use in my class. And if you look closely, you'll notice we don't have a foot to meter conversion. But we do have 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And I also see that 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches. And so what I can do here is convert the units of feet into inches, and then I can use this ratio or this relationship to convert inches into meters. So let's do that. So I'll start with my initial distance, 3,212 feet. I'm going to multiply by this ratio. I'm going to set up my units first. And this is what I tell all my students. We'll convert feet into inches. And you can see here without doing any math that the units of feet will cancel. And this is what we want. What we do next is plug in our ratio. 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. Of course, we're not done yet. We'll go ahead and multiply by the next ratio. As you would imagine, we want to convert inches into meters, and we want to cancel inches, so we'll put the inches in the denominator. Inches divided by inches cancels, and this relationship is 1 meter is equivalent to 39.37 inches. If you check the units, all the units cancel except for the unit that I'm interested in, meters. In terms of significant figures, we'll report 4 significant figures because we start with 4 significant figures. And to 4 significant figures, we get 979.0 meters. Here's a trailing zero with a decimal place, which means it is significant.